What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to sell on Amazon FBA using retail arbitrage, and specifically how to never touch a product again. So what you're going to notice today, I'm wearing my Destroy Excuses shirt for one reason. Everybody tells me I can't sell on Amazon because I live on the 5th floor of an apartment building. I can't sell on Amazon because I have a very small house. I don't have a warehouse. I don't have a garage or office or blah blah blah. So today I'm going to destroy that one excuse. You do not have to touch the products that you buy and sell over on Amazon FBA. I'm going to show you how to do it, all right? So let's start here. This tool right here, specifically I'll be showing you how to do retail arbitrage, but it's going to be online. So it's going to be more online arbitrage. So if you don't know what the difference between those two are, retail arbitrage really encompasses both in-store and online because you're buying retail. But online arbitrage only covers buying stuff from retail stores online. Okay? So online arbitrage is the way you have to go if you don't want to physically touch, prep, pack, ship all these items. All right? So what this tool is right here, it's called Tactical Arbitrage. It costs about $100 a month. I highly recommend it. Love it. I've been using it for over a year, maybe 2 years, whenever. Anyway, so let's say I do a big search, and you can read in about it. If you want to go try it out, you can get a 7-day trial down below for $1. But so like this item right here, it's $8.55 from Walmart. And it sells over on Amazon. This is Amazon right here for $19.97, which means it has a profit margin of I'll make $6.01 and 70% gross ROI. Let's go check it out. So here over on Walmart.com, you can see right here this item is no longer available online. So this wouldn't be an online arbitrage type item. But let's look on Amazon and see, does it really sell for $19.97 like the software said? $19.97. Yes, it does. Okay, $19.97. Its rank right now is 81,000 in toys and games. That's good right there. Okay, cool. So here's what I want you to understand is once you have located a product or multiple products to buy, let's say you go through the whole list, all right? Let's say you come over here, and this is Sears, Walmart, Target, Sears, Target. Let's say you buy 10 of every single one of these items. What you're going to do is you're going to go send it off to a prep and ship company. Because remember, we're going to destroy excuses today. The one excuse that people always give me is, I don't have the space. So if you use a prep and ship company, just go onto Google. I'm not going to, and don't ask me in comments, okay? I'm not going to tell you who to go to, but I'd recommend if you live in a state like Washington State, like I do, I have to pay sales tax. So go onto Google and type in prep and ship company, Amazon FBA, okay, and tax-free state. That's what I'd search for. Here's the reason why. If I ship my products to Oregon, which is not that far away, it's about a 2.5-hour drive. If I ship my products to Oregon, I don't have to pay sales tax. Remember, we're not doing wholesale orders right now. We're doing retail arbitrage or online arbitrage. So what that means is we will have to pay sales tax if I buy it and ship it to my office, my house, okay, someplace here inside Washington State. I will have to pay sales tax on those orders. But if I ship it to a prep and ship company in Oregon, which is a tax-free state, I don't have to pay sales tax. So let me explain this a little bit further, because I know a lot of people are wondering, well, if I have to pay them to do all the work, because obviously not do it for free, won't it cost more money? Here's the thing. If I buy an item for $100, I normally have to pay about an 8.5% sales tax. That means I'd pay $8.50 for sales tax on that one item. Now, if I ship that item to Oregon using a prep and ship company, it's not going to cost me $8.50 for them to inspect, okay, to prep, to pack, and to ship that item off to Amazon. It's probably going to cost me, for an item that's $100, probably a bigger size item, it's probably going to cost me about $1 to $1.50 for them to do the work. So it's going to save me $7 by shipping it off to a different company. That means I'll make more money, okay? I can buy more products. And number 3, best of all, I don't have to get my hands dirty, okay? I never have to touch that product again. Now, here's the one thing you will have to do. Once you talk to that company, whatever company you use, don't just go to Oregon. There's other places as well. But I'd recommend go to a tax-free state, okay? Because that's going to save you money, and that's going to more than pay for them to do the work for you. You're going to make a little bit more money, and you never have to touch the product. But here's what you will do is once you contact them, you get a feel for their business, what they do, what they offer. Then they're going to ask you for permission. Now, not every company will. However, most companies that I work with, okay, I work with 3 right now. 3. 4. I'm starting to work with 4, but mainly 3 different prep and ship companies, okay, all over the United States. But the one thing that all of them ask is for you to give them permission on your account. So the way you do this is you will go to your Seller Central account. On the top right-hand corner, you'll see a thing that says Settings. Click on that. You go down probably midway through the little list. It's close to the bottom. And you'll see something called User Permissions. What's going to happen is once they give you their email address, you'll put in their name, the email address, and give them permission to actually access your account. And you can go in and manage the whole permissions and what they can do. You're going to give them access to, adding inventory and doing shipments. Okay? That's what they need access to because that's what you want them to do. All right? If you don't want to get your hands dirty, you don't have the time, you don't have the space, you don't have the muscle power to lift a 50-pound box, whatever it is, no big deal. But you have to give them permission. So one other tip that I want to give you, okay? I don't want you guys to stop there. Again, let's destroy these excuses. But let's say you want to buy these Huggies pull-ups, right? They're $8.99 at Target. They sell on Amazon for $24.71. You'll make $6.77. Let's see if that's true. Okay, $8.99. Okay, over on Target. You get a $20 gift card on a $100 baby care purchase. Okay, cool. So you could buy some more. And right here, they're currently selling for it says $23.82. Okay, so close enough. Now, here's one of the excuses I get all the time. I didn't buy this product because it's not the same picture. Is it really? I see it's not the same picture. Let's read down the description box. They're down here about the product. Let's see. Huggies Pull-Ups exclusive Disney graphics with Pixar's Buzz Lightyear and Woody from Toy Story that fade when wet. So this is not the right picture. This is the right picture. Okay? Look at that. That one. And there's Woody. Cool, right? Again, destroying excuses. Here's another thing. Another excuse I get all the time. But I can't sell in the health and household niche. Right, I understand. You can't sell health and household products. Why? Because you haven't been approved. This is a gated category. How do I get ungated to sell this product over on Amazon? Well, it's actually very simple. There's actually 2 things you can do. The first thing is Huggies is going to be a restricted brand. You need to have prior approval in order to sell that. Okay? So you can't go and get Huggies just yet. So what I would recommend is go and find a open brand. Okay? And let's say you're going to go and buy, Colgate toothpaste. Okay? Colgate is something most people can sell. Except for they're gated in the health and household niche. Okay? That category. So what you do, go to Google, type it in. Colgate Wholesale. Enter. What's going to happen is there's going to be a bunch of different websites that pop up. Let me show you. So there, I typed in Colgate Wholesale over on Google, just like I told you, and I came down and I clicked on vkwholesale.com. This is a site I've used multiple times. So VK Wholesale, your savings start here. You can see toothpaste, Colgate, 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 and so on. And there's Crest. And they have a bunch of other stuff. All you gotta do is order some items, okay? Now Amazon tells you how many you need to order, okay? They tell you what needs to be on the invoice. So you go and order this, and then let VK know, okay, I need this for Amazon, okay? I need to get ungated in the category, so I need an actual wholesale invoice. Now, being that this is not technically wholesale, now it's a wholesale supplier, they're more wholesale pricing, okay? But they still are upping the price so that they can make a profit. So just understand, this is technically wholesale, but it's a wholesale supplier. It's the middleman between legitimately actual wholesale and retail, okay? They're right there in the middle. So what you're going to do is you're going to get an order from them. I'd say between 10 to 20 products, okay? And get you'll get a variety of different ones, all right? So you're going to get a bunch. Send in the invoice, make sure it has your physical address, the same one that is on Amazon on your seller account, okay? Have the same name. This company needs to have their name, needs to have their address, their physical address, and their phone number, okay? And then also put your email address, and hopefully it does match up with your Amazon seller account. If it does, I haven't heard of any clients of mine not get approved for doing this exact same thing, all right? So again, destroying that excuse that I'm not approved in health and household, or I'm not approved in grocery. How can I do it? Well, it's pretty simple. Look, there's beverages. Well, there's condoms. Okay, there's food. Okay, go and buy stuff in that category and then send it into Amazon. Also, let them know that you have that. You need that for Amazon. You need the invoice, because if you don't have that, you're not going to be buying from them ever again, because it does you no good. All right, so again, hopefully, like I said earlier, I'm destroying excuses. So if one of those was your excuse, you don't have the room, you live 5 stories up on the stairs are so steep you can't climb up with all this inventory. Well, how do you get groceries up there, right? Well, if you can't buy anything, send it off to a prep and ship company. I told you why, okay? It saves you time, it saves you money, okay? Your hands stay sparkly clean, never have to get them dirty, okay? And I kind of showed you the steps, okay? I'm not gonna go step by step, you can figure it out from here. But if you want to try Tactical Arbitrage, like I said, use the link down in the description box below. It's $1 7-day trial, okay? If you don't like it, you don't use it, you don't make enough money from it, cancel it, okay? Simple as that. Also, go and get approved for every single category you can, and also get approved for any product, any brand that is restricted. Get approved as fast as possible, okay? Because the more brands that you can sell, the more categories you can sell in, the more opportunities you're going to have, all right? So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you learned something from it. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.